Guys, welcome back. So today I will show you how to make this cool redstone lamp turn on and off. It is very cool. Oops. Look. Maybe you guys, if you want to turn on your lamp, maybe it is the easy way and it's not cool enough. So maybe you're gonna do this like this, or maybe like this. It is boring, you know. I'm gonna tell you the cool way to make it. To make it. First, you need to put your lever in here and put your redstone. 1, 2, and then now what you need is put your redstone repeater, turn on, punch it 1 time and do the same like this. Like that. And then when you turn on your lamp, it is gonna be like this. And if you want to going up, you just do this like this. It is very easy to learn how to make this. Maybe it is too easy. Yes. Maybe like this. And do this. And do the same thing like before, but the difference, you need to put the repeater in here and punch it 1 time. Oops. 1, 2, 3. And then do this, and then forget about for the repeater. And when you turn on it is a little bit laggy. Look, it is very cool. I hope you enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to comment. Goodbye.